Hi guys, my name is Philip and I'm a front-end developer. In today's video, we'll be explaining what sleet data is and how to access sleet data using Python. So our first step would be to introduce sleet data and actually explain its importance. So sleet data is a crucial component of weather forecasting, providing essential insights into precipitation data which could affect both road safety and airport operations. In simple terms, sleet is defined as the raindrops which freeze on ice pellets before they actually reach the ground. So this could create slippery or hazardous conditions on both roads and runways, and this could necessitate very precise weather forecasting to prevent accidents and ensure safety of travelers and transportation. Now let's take a look at what the Tomorrow documentation actually has to offer regarding sleet. So first of all, we have sleet intensity. So sleet intensity is the first data field which we have here. And sleet intensity measures the intensity of sleet, i.e. ice pellets, by calculating the amount of sleet that would fall over a given interval of time. Keep in mind that sleet intensity calculates only as if sleet were constant over that period of time, meaning that if the sleet intensity was changing, i.e. the raining was changing, we wouldn't have the precise result. The output is either given out in millimeters per hour or in inches per hour. This is for depth. Then we also have sleet accumulation. This calculates the accumulated amount of sleet, i.e. ice pellets, that has or will accumulate for the past or future hour of the intended time. Lastly, we have sleet accumulation LWE, which calculates the liquid water accumulated amount of sleet that has or will accumulate for the past or future hour. Now, with that out of the way, let's take a look at how to actually use this sleet data. So, the first step would be to open the Weather Timelines API. The Weather Timelines API allows us to query weather conditions, i.e. weather data, for a very specific location and very specific weather field. So here we have sleet intensity, sleet accumulation, and sleet accumulation LWE. Let's just set it to a random location such as Ontario, since we won't be getting any sleet data here since it's the current weather is quite warm and the video is recorded in the middle of June. So now with this set, our first step would be to install the requests library, which we can do with the following command: opening the terminal, pasting Python and pip install requests. As you can see in my PyCharm, this is already installed, but if you don't have it installed, please make sure to type the following command, and the installation shouldn't take more than a few seconds or at the worst minutes. Okay, now with that out of the way, let's copy the code snippet which Tomorrow has provided us with here and paste it. Now we have everything we need here, such as the location, i.e. Ontario, and the data fields which we want to fetch. There is, however, one small modification I would recommend, which is to get a better response. So a better formatted response actually. So I would suggest importing JSON and actually parsing the JSON response instead of printing the unformatted version of the text. And with that out of the way, all you have to do is to run it. And here you have it. This is the sleet data which we have. As you can see, it's set at 0 because the weather is quite warm even in Ontario, Canada. And this is our daily time steps. So we have 5 days. Our start time is now, and the end time is now plus 5 days. And our time step is a daily one. And that's it. Thank you for watching. You now know how to use sleet data and how to fetch it in Python.